Top headlines of the week. Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai has been appointed as the Deputy Chief of Army Staff. S. Somnath, the former chairman of ISRO, has been appointed as the Chancellor at the Chanakya University in Bengaluru. Katrina Kaif has been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador for Maldives. Javed Akhtar became first Indian writer to receive the Dostoevsky Star Award 2025 from the Russian Parliament for his cultural contribution. David Beckham, the former England football player, has received the knighthood from the King Charles III. Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched Bharatiya Bhasha Anubhag initiative to promote the Indian languages in governance. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has launched the Crop Peak initiative. Under this initiative, the artificial intelligence will be used to assess the health of the crops and also to assess the crop loss. India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef is to be developed around the INS Guldar in Maharashtra. Former Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni has been inducted into the ICC's Hall of Fame. Portugal wins 2025 UEFA's Nation League after defeating Spain in the final. India ranks 131 out of the 148 countries in Global Gender Gaps Index. This index is released by World Economic Forum. Anhat Singh, India's #1 women's squash player, has been awarded with the Women's Challenger Player of the Season Award at the PSA Awards 2024-25. 8th edition of the joint military exercise between India and France named Shakti 2025 will be held in France. The last edition of the Shakti exercise was held in Meghalaya, India. Write down in the comment section the country that topped the Global Gender Gap Index 2025. Thank you.